Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Raiza Contawi, at bigyan naman natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang pagkasunog ng aking balat. I am so happy. I am very dark at the moment. I mean, dark for my skin shade or natural skin shade, pero sobrang in love ako sa new color ko ngayon na talagang, talagang toasted. Well, excited din ako dahil merong something mamayang gabi. It's the anniversary party of BLK Cosmetics. Yep, they just turned 1. At ito nga ang Back to the 90s. Ito ang invitation na tanggap ko. Ito ang party details. Pupunta tayo ngayon. Pero, maganda kung itong makeup na gagawin ko gamit mismo yung collection na nilaunch nila. At yun nga ay yung Back to the 90s makeup collection ng BLK. Ngayon, I'll let you know my first impressions. Titingnan natin kung mapapansin ba ng BLK mismo sa party na suot ko yung products nila. We'll find out. So for now, tignan muna natin yung loob ng kit. So inside, since ambassador endorser si Anne ng Swatch, so merong isang swatch na swatch dito. And then, ito na nga ang caboodle case dahil sa tema nga na 90s, very 90s nga naman siya. Natatandaan ko may ganito ako pero ibang kulay, ibang design din pero caboodle case din. Yung pagbukas nyo, may ganyan. O, diba? And then inside, ito na yung mga products na meron. May 4. Merong volume plus lash extension mascara. May intense color liquid eyeshadow which they do have na sa kanilang K-beauty line. And then, meron ding, ito bago ko itong masusubukan, itong soft matte mousse for the lips. Yes, okay, for the lips. And their all-day intense matte lipstick, which also exists simula pa lang sa original Pioneer line nila. But this time, you can already tell na yung vibe ng 90s, very colorful, very funky, and fun. Unahin natin yung pangmata. This is the Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade The Bomb. So pag tinignan nyo dito, makikita nyo, magkakaroon na kayo ng idea kung ano yung shade, and this is more of a brownish shade. This is very similar doon sa nauna na nilang Intense Liquid Eyeshadow doon sa K-Beauty Collection, yung Gorgeous, if I'm not mistaken, because I use that. And this one, it seems to be, again, similar palette, brown, but it's more, I feel like it's lighter and it's more red sa tone. Compared to Gorgeous na it's really a neutral brown. Still weighs 5.5 grams. And let me swatch it for you. Still also has the doe foot applicator. And here it is. Yes. It's more like a nude shade. Para siyang nude lipstick ang dating. Since very creamy siya, what I'm going to do is just apply this directly on my eyelids and blend this with my finger, and I feel like that's the best way to do this. Or if you prefer a brush, use a flat synthetic brush to do this, to apply and then blend it with a synthetic blending brush or your fingers. Because the fingers will help you, or your finger will help warm up the product so hindi siya agad magsiset. Okay. I actually enjoyed using the Gorgeous one, yung brown, parang as, everyday base color. So, if this is the same formula, then I like it. Let's see kung mabibuild pa natin yung color. I'm gonna dip the applicator again. An ample amount of product. Apply it again on the lids. And blend it. This time, since layering na, ipapat ko na yung finger ko. Buildable siya in a sense na mapagpapatong-patong nyo siya. Hindi siya mamumuo, hindi masisira yung una nyong nilagay. And it really sets to a soft matte finish. It's as if na nag-powder ka pero dikit na dikit yung powder sa mata mo in that, in that sense. So hindi malagkit, hindi siya very liquidy. It's liquid, but once you apply it on your lids and once it sets, it turns to a matte powdery feel. And it's also good na hindi siya agad like boom, pigment and lots of colors kasi hindi siya magmumukhang parang flushed skin. I am liking this so far. And I like na, okay, dyan na siya. Ganyan na yung kulay niya and it's just right. Hindi siya over. It achieved the shade already. And that's good. And so I'm gonna continue on with my eye makeup. I will apply the eyeliners. And then, actually, ngayon, ilagay nga natin itong product sa lower rim. And let's see how it goes. Parang very, lang siya. Almost skin-like. And I love the consistency of this. Okay. Critical round to. It's the mascara. We're going to try out if this is really volumizing and if this has that lengthening effect with the lash extension. We'll find out. The thing here, it doesn't claim that it's waterproof. I have a thing with non-waterproof mascara. That's because maikli ang lashes ko tsaka naka-dive down siya. So whenever I blink, nagta-transfer siya and I don't like the feeling. So, we'll find out how this performs. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. Kita nyo? Wala kayo masyadong makita? Oh, parang, hindi siya nag-exist. Okay, let's talk about the bristles. So you can see, ano siya, yung plastic ang bristles, short bristles. And let's see, okay, bendable naman yung wand. Kaya, that's good. Kasi kapag stiff, tapos ganito pang stiff ang bristles, it's gonna be very difficult to work with. So let's start. Here's the thing, kaya hindi ako masyadong fond of ganitong plastic bristles dahil hindi niya nasusuklay yung strands. So may tendency na nagka-clump yung mascara. Oh. Yeah, okay, that's pretty nice. I can see the volumizing effect and the lengthening effect of it. It's also lightweight. Like, it doesn't transfer on the lower rim of my eyes, which is good. Hindi rin niya wini-weigh down yung pagkaka-curl ng lashes ko, which is also good because it's lightweight. One suggestion is that you apply the mascara na nakatayo yung wand and hindi pa ganon. Para talagang nahihiwalay-hiwalay yung strands as you go and then just, do this motion. The real challenge is the lower lashes. Okay, let's see. I am happy that the mascara is really working. However, because malaki yung wand niya and mataba yung bristles niya, so it's kind of difficult to reach sa lower lashes ko, lalo na short nga talaga ako. Kaya kung mahaba yung lashes nyo, that's good. It will be a breeze. Pero sa akin na manipis, tapos maikli, it's really difficult kapag hindi pointed yung dulo ng wand or kung hindi siya manipis. So that's the struggle. But the formula is really doing good. Ginawa ko na yung blush ko and inspired nga siya ulit sa 90s. So very flushed ang dating. So now we can carry on with the lipsticks or with the lip products. So may intense matte or all day intense matte lipstick nga. This is in the shade Peace Out. And yung shade niya, it's very deep kind of red. This is the packaging of the 90s lipstick. It's the same acrylic, but now it's tinted and it's purple, it's violet. It's really nice. It looks very funky. I love it. It's a throwback, but at the same time, it somehow feels modern in a way. Ganito yung mga shade ng lipstick ng nanay ko nung lumalaki ako. And I'm a legit 90s baby. Literal akong 1990s pinanganak. This is extra thick. I love the shade choice. Peace Out is indeed very 90s. Although, same with my comments other or previous videos ko with BLK, their lipstick is nice because nagtatagal siya. Very pigmented as well. Parang rich ang formulation niya. Talagang parang thick. It's very thick. But the downside is may tugging lang of skin. But it doesn't hurt. It's not painful naman, but it's just not as easy to glide on as compared to other lipsticks that I've tried. But still, it's good. Drench your kissers with the luxurious dreamlike formula of this velvety mousse, which melts on lips for smooth, seamless application and dries to sleek matte finish, featuring rich brown tone shades that trigger 90s nostalgia. This is in the shade As If. It seems like it's a deep kind of red, pero paglabas niya, it's this shade. It's parang kind of pinkish, or maybe it's because of the frosted packaging, which looks nice. And that really looks clean and sleek. I like it. I like it. Parang siyang pang everyday pink. Parang old rose, basically. Parang amoy, ano ba to? Coconut, vanilla. Ganun yung amoy. Amoy cake. So, unang application mo, especially with this shade, it seems sheer. Like, I can see the discoloration of my lips still. I have to say, the feel of this lip mousse is very comfortable. You can feel the matteness and parang may pagka-powder matte ang dating niya. Malambot. Hindi siya drying sa lips. Sheer lang coverage, but the shade is on point if you're looking for that everyday shade. Kahit kasi sobrang tan ko na, hindi siya matingkad. So it's a muted down na pink. Very old rose nga. And I have to say, and I know for a fact that this will go perfectly sa kahit anong skin tone, sa kahit anong skin shades. Kasi I'm very much tan. And still, it looks nice on me. Suot ko na yung Peace Out All Day Intense Matte Lipstick. Aayusin ko na lang yung buhok ko. Aayusin ko na lang din yung OOTD ko. And let's go to the first anniversary party of BLK Cosmetics. Finally, matetest na natin kung magtatagal yung lipstick. But first, my date for tonight. Hi, Ash! Wait tayo. Focus ko sa'yo. Janet! Nag-uusap kami ng mga salamin. Sinashare niya sa akin.
Mga sale na shades from Ideal Vision.
Bakit may isa? Nasa'yo.
Ganda.
Ganda.
Oh my God, super bagay sa
Grabe. 320 pesos.
A vintage na
What's the brand? Versace.
Bagay, sobrang nice.
Oo nga. Ann Curtis who?
Cute talaga.
Lalaban ako kay Ann mamaya. Hindi na talaga matutuwa yung ano sa akin, Marie France.
Time to eat!
Papunta na kami sa party and ito yung lipstick update. Nandito pa siya, but yung sa gitna, ayan. Kasi pag malangis, hindi yan talaga. It happens. Okay, I am back and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts kasi from last night's party, hindi na ako nakapag-film, by the way. Nakauwi na ako ng mga around 2 a.m. kaya parang wala na akong to film. So I just slept, washed my face, left right away. And today is the day for me to let you know my thoughts because I'm pretty confident sa performance niya from last night. And with that said, I wore everything from the look that I got except for the soft matte mousse sa labi because I was wearing the lipstick. So right now, I'm wearing the soft matte mousse and so far, I can let you know my first impressions and my thoughts about this one. I'm going to start with the Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow. This one, if you want a more in-depth description of this, then I did the K-Beauty collection because they're pretty much the same except for the color of the packaging, like itong titling nito. But the design or kung gaano siya karami, kung gaano siya yung applicator niya, everything, it's pretty much the same. But the difference that I noticed is the formula, and that is what I'm liking so far. Because the difference niya compared to the K-Beauty collection, it's easier, so much easier to apply and to blend even without the need of a brush. Let's move on with the mascara. At ito yung Volume Plus Lash Extension Mascara. It doesn't say it's waterproof. Let me check again. Oh, it's absolutely smudge-proof when worn, but comes off easily enough with warm water. So, it's definitely not waterproof. However, I have to say, again, let me reiterate this na I am kind of cliquish when it comes to mascara. Kapag hindi siya waterproof, lagi akong kapag hindi siya smudge-proof, kapag hindi maganda yung formula niya at madaling kumapit, and I have to be honest na yung impression ko when I saw this or when I figured out na merong mascara sa collection nila, I was also somehow, But when I finally tried it, it's long-lasting, number one, because it didn't smudge after my application. It sets off pretty quickly sa lashes. It's also very lengthening, which is surprising. It is true to its word. It's very lengthening. It's volumizing in a way na kasi madali siyang mag-bind, if you know what I mean. Parang hindi siya too fluidy and watery. So it's a thick kind of formula pagdating sa mascara, so it does lengthen, and it really gives you a more volumized set of lashes. Ang hindi lang ako fan about this mascara is the wand and the bristles, but it's bendable, so that's nice. But if you apply this with a different wand na parang mas bristle-like, then that's good for me. Here we go, All Day Intense Matte Lipstick. And this is in the shade Peace Out, which I wore last night, the entire night. At ito lang yung dala ko for retouch. Okay, shade choices, really nice and very cohesive sa buong branding or buong feel ng collection nito, which is the 90s. And I love it. So it's pretty much the same. Again, the packaging is pretty much the same from the other collection, except for the color and for like the shades. But I am really liking the funky color again, and the formula is nice except for the tugging of skin. Longevity is nice as well. It's pretty decent. Pag kumain na kayo ng something oily, which I did, talagang matatanggalin dito sa gitna. Pero pag in-apply nyo naman siya to retouch, hindi naman siya parang magka-clump, hindi siya mamumumu on the lips. And it's gonna be parang freshly applied once you retouch dito sa gitna. Last but definitely not the least, ito yung Soft Matte Mousse, which I believe is the newest product, and I am wearing as if, and this is it. And this really surprised me in a sense na talagang it's lightweight, it's buildable. At first application, it's quite parang sheer pa. You can see or peek through. Makikita niyo yung skin nyo. And so for those of you na may discoloration sa lips, you might have to apply several layers. Pero this is like my third layer and good to go na. The shade choice also is really nice. I love As If. This is the most pang everyday shade, and then the two other shades parang brickish red and deep red, which is also nice. And I'm really looking forward to having the deeper shades as well because I love deep colors. And so I am really liking this one kasi it doesn't feel like you've applied 3 layers of products on your lips. Until now, if I'm like as we speak, it's soft matte. Like when you feel your lips, it transfers. But it's like powdery matte. Hindi siya basa. It's like, sobrang lambot. So I do love the consistency and the formula of this one. Pigmentation, hindi siya like super, maybe the As If one, parang pag-apply nyo, it's pigmented, but it's not like a striking color. Maybe because nga, it's more of an everyday shade. Pero, you just have to build up the color. Again, buildable naman siya. But the highlight of this product is its lightweightness. It's formula talaga na madali siyang i-apply, very lightweight, and then it sets to a powdery matte finish. Overall, I love the collection, I have to say. From the colors to its performance and to the whole theme, it works. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to get subscribed for more makeup reviews, videos, vlogs, and everything that I do. And also don't forget to comment down below what you like most about this collection. And until then, I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys!